Quick question for you. How many times have you started a small repair and had to stop because you was missing one screw? This is why every household should keep spare screws. This is why I keep a small organized box of different type of screws, and it saved me more trips to the hardware store than I can count. Here is one of my mini collection of screws that I got from Harbor Freight, and I paid $7 for this. And this is just a replenish of the stock that I already had. So whether you're a homeowner, renting, or a weekend DIYer, keeping spare screws on hand is one of the smartest and cheapest habits you can have. The first reasons why I would keep spare screws on hand is because small repairs happens all the time. Loose cabinet hinges, wobbly chairs, door handles, outlet covers. Most households fixes come down to one missing or stripped screw. Reason number 2 why you should keep spare screws on hand. Not all screws are the same. You have wood screws, drywall screws, self-tapping screws, machine screws. Each one has a purpose. Using the right screws mean repairs actually last. Reason number 3, it just saves a lot of time and money. A $10 screw organizer can save you gas and time and frustrations. No emergency hardware store runs for a 10-cent screw. Reason number 4, it's perfect for DIY projects. Anytime I build shelves, fixing trim, or mounting something, I already have what I need. That's how projects get done instead of delayed. Here's a quick pro tip. When you label your screw box, or if you purchase one like I did, and I got this from the hardware store, Harbor Freight, and it comes with 120 different self-tapping wood screws assortments. I like this particular one because it has different compartments, and I like to collect screws and put them in these different compartments based on their size. This is a newer one that I had to restock on, and I'm going to add it to another one of these containers that I already have. And I'll show you, I have drywall screws, I have self-tapping screws, nails, and a lot of different other things that you may need if you want to hang pictures in your house, if you're hanging a TV and you need a lag bolt, or you need washers or butterflies to go in, anchors for drywall. Then I got all of that I collect, because you just never know when you're going to need the right screw, and it saves you time, money, and energy from having to run to the parts store every time you need a screw or something that you may have already came across but you never stored, or you probably threw away. So here's my collection of different screws that I have. I got anchors, bolts, nails, wood screws. I keep some screws under here. I even got thumbtacks. Here's another thing. If I got some wires that I need to keep from moving around, I want to make them look more cleaner. Got these clamps right here, cable clamps. Then I just keep some assorted screws in here. These are my drywall screws. I got some more bolts right here. These come in handy, especially when you're hanging TV and you're able to get into a stud. To use a bolt, get that on there. Just different things in here. Have some more exterior wood screws right here. And so I just continue to collect them. Nails, because I always like to have the right screw at the right time. So if this tip saves you even one trip to the store, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. DIY isn't about having every tool. It's about being prepared. And something as simple as a spare screw can save you time on your project. Most home repairs don't fail because they're hard. They fail because you're missing the right screw. Keeping a small variety of spare screws at home can save time, money, and frustration. Whether you're fixing furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling weekend DIY projects, having the right fastener makes all the difference. In this video, I explain why every household and DIYer should keep a spare screw and how it makes everyday repairs easier. If you enjoy real, practical DIY tips like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll post simple fixes that actually helps. I'll see you in the next one.